Good morning. We are gathered here today for the visit of the President to the Ningning 6.55 megawatt peak rooftop solar facility, the first ever grid-connected utility-scale solar rooftop installation in a social housing community. Ningning is more than a renewable energy project. It represents redemptive energy, a powerful reminder that progress shines brightest when it uplifts communities, restores dignity, and transforms lives.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you very much, the SUD Secretary, Secretary Pingaliling. Please be seated. Interior and Local Government Secretary and Anak ng Cavite, John Vic Remulla. Energy Secretary Sharon Garin. Joy Nostalgia. I specifically asked what was that name, Joy Nostalgia, and I was right. There is a story behind it. Maybe he will tell it to you one of these days. It's a very sweet story, actually. Members of the Homeowners Association, fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am pleased to join you all today here in the Ningning Solar Rooftop Power Facility. It's an initiative that is a monumental one as it lights up homes and the path forward to the country's energy transition. Solaris and Raymulan Lands have done something quite remarkable. They adopt renewable technology innovations right here on the rooftops of Filipino families here in Naik. Halos 2,000 tahanan ang kasama sa proyektong ito. Bawat isa sa kanila ay pinagkukunan ng malinis na enerhiya dahil sa mga solar panel na nakalagay sa kanilang mga bubong. Ito po ang kaunahang grid-connected, utility-scale solar project sa buong mundo na matatagpuan sa isang socialized housing community. Higit pang nakakahanga ang Ningning Project. Hindi lang solar technology ang hatid nito sa atin, nagbibigay din ng suporta at ng kita dito sa mga nakatira dito. Gamit ang bahagi ng kita rito, matutustusan ang pag-aayos ng bubong ng mga bahay, mga panatiling bukas ang ilaw at kalsada, mapapatupad ang maayos na pamahala sa basura at magkakaroon ng shared solar facility at iba't ibang training para sa mga residente. In other words, the energy that we produce here will power a better life for the people who live in this community, but even beyond this community. Because although there are advantages, there are benefits to those living in this community, there is also the benefit to the grid because you are providing additional power, which we all know is something that we need. Dahil gamit natin ng mga bubong ng mga bahay na naitayo na, walang ginamit na farmland, walang tinanggal na kabuhayan at walang nasayang na lupa. Sa pamamagitan ng Ningning Project, makakabawas tayo ng mahigit 6,000 metriko na tonelada ng carbon dioxide emission kada taon. Para tayong nag-alis ng halos 1,000 sasakyan sa ating mga kasada. Kaya't mas makakatulong tayo sa ating kalikasan. And the rest of the world has noticed. This project has already won gold for ESG Integration Excellence and silver for Sustainable Renewable Energy Initiative of the Year for the Asian Power Awards 2025. Congratulations. You have managed to bring Filipino innovation to the world stage. And for that is a very, very important step for the Philippines and, for that matter, the solutions that we are trying to find. This is, when we talk about climate change, when we talk about the shift from fossil fuels to renewables in terms of our power production, we always have to say that this is a new situation that we have never faced before. And therefore, we must come up, we must be creative and be able to find a different solutions. And we cannot continue to do the same things that we did before. This is a prime example of that creativity, of the new thinking, of innovation that brings technologies together in an imaginative and innovative way, and to the advantage to the residents here, to the power generation in our country, to our shift from fossil fuels to renewables. It is that much search for win-win solution. So well done and congratulations. Because this is how we move forward with efforts that both benefit our environment and our people. I believe that this community in Naik is just the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly excited by what the Ningning project shows about what the future can be. Imagine what we can do if we replicate this sort of effort in neighboring communities and later on the rest of the country. Patuloy tayong kumikilos upang tugunan ang lumalalang epekto ng climate change. Ngunit alam natin, hindi ito kayang aksyonan ng iisang sektor lamang. Kailangan natin ng tulong ng bawat komunidad, bawat pamilya, bawat Pilipino. Ito po ang nakita natin sa proyektong ito. Kaya sa pamilyang naninirahan dito, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kayo ang punot dulo ng proyektong ito. Ang inyong mga tahanan ay bahagi ng isang pagsisikap upang bumuo ng mas maliwanag na kinabukasan at mas malinis na kapaligiran. To Solaris, Remulan Lands, Joy Nostalgia Foundation, and our other partners, let us continue working together, breaking new ground. On our end as the government, we will continue improving our processes so we can promote and support and accelerate more innovative renewable energy projects just like this. Indeed, our collaboration demonstrates what can be achieved when the government, the private sector, and communities work together to create sustainable solutions. Muli, sama-sama po tayong magsikap upang makamit ang isang mas maganda at maliwanag na kinabukasan, mamanahin at ipagmamalaki ng ating mga anak. Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Mr. President.